Do you know how Toyota built trust by showing its factory floor? Most manufacturers hide their factory problem from buyer. Toyota did the exact opposite, and that decision helped them build global trust. Toyota became respected worldwide not just because of manufacturing quality, but because of transparency in process. One of the biggest reasons the Toyota production system became legendary was that Toyota openly showed how its factory operated. Buyers, partners, and even competitors studied Toyota's production floor, quality system, workflow, and problem-solving culture. The product were good, the price was very competitive, but Toyota understood something very important. Buyer trust what they can see. So instead of relying only on catalog and brochure, they opened up their factory system. Not just polish area, everything. Quality check, rejected component, machine maintenance area, even production issues. The philosophy was simple. If the client can see how we solve problem, they will trust us more. And it worked. Toyota became known as process-driven, transparency, and reliable. Eventually, they become one of the most trusted manufacturing brands in the world. The lesson behind this story is, most manufacturers think trust comes from saying that we deliver quality. But the real trust comes from visibility. When buyer can see your process, they stop treating you like a risky supplier. That's exactly why today, factory walkthrough video, behind the scene content, production photo, process documentation, professional branding matters more than ever. Because the manufacturers winning today are not always the cheapest. They are the one buyers understand and trust first. I am Nandan with over 2 decades of experience working with manufacturing companies. I help manufacturing companies to grow through structured marketing strategy and branding, powered by data and AI-driven insight. At Addpro Network, we build digital authority that creates real business growth. Follow me for more insight on manufacturing growth strategy and DM me marketing. I will show you what is changing in your industry right now. Thanks for watching.